Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you guys are doing good. In this video today I'm going to show how to cut difficult and fringing hair from a background, how to change background color, how to apply glossy effect on a background, and how to change a specific color of an image. So let's start. At first I will select all the hair and the body of this image. Before that I make a duplicate copy of this layer, make this layer invisible, keeping this top layer selected. Now select Quick Selection tool. Quick Selection tool can select any object very quickly. Now I will select the hair and the body. Select all the hair. Make sure all the hair are inside the selection. Make the tool size smaller. A smaller brush can select details of any object precisely. Take all the hair inside the selection. So far so good. We have selected the image. Now go to Select and Mask. Here we can see white background in the selection. To delete this white part, select Refine Edge Brush tool. Now delete this white part from the selection. Make the brush smaller to delete even the white spot from the selection. Okay, we have selected the hair. Here we can see some white spots. Delete this. Here we can see a small part of this arm is outside of our selection. So select Quick Selection tool again and select this part. And now with Refine Edge Brush tool again, delete this white part. So far so good. We have made our selection. Now increase Shift Edge slightly, about 25%. And from here, if we want, we can select new layer with layer mask, but for now we keep the settings selection. Click OK and our selection is done. Now click on Add a layer mask and the background is removed. Now click on Create New Fill and select Solid Color. Select a color here, click OK and bring this layer right below, and we have made a new background. Notice here our background color is light, but if we double click here and pick a dark color, then we can see the white edge of the hair. Because our last background was white, so the white color comes along with this image. Now we will fix this. Select this layer, create a new layer and right click on this new layer. Select Create Clipping Mask and now select Clone Stamp tool, opacity 50%, flow 50% and the mode darken. Select Clone Stamp tool and press Alt from the keyboard and click on the hair to copy and paste inside the white hair. Keep doing all around. So far we have selected this hair. Now here we can see some white spots. We have to delete this. Select mask on this layer. Select brush tool. Set the foreground color black and delete these white spots. Accidentally, if you delete the image, don't worry. Set foreground color white and retrieve the image again. Foreground color black, delete the image, and foreground color white to retrieve the image. Okay, very good. And now if we change the background color, we can see the white edge is not visible anymore. And now we will change the dress color. Select this layer, select quick selection tool, and select the dress. Alright, pretty good selection. Now click here and select Hue Saturation. Check the Colorize box. Pull the slider to change the color. So far so good. We have changed the dress color. Now we will apply glossy effect on this background. Select this layer, create a new layer, select brush tool, with foreground color white, make the brush size about 600 pixel. Take the soft brush and click here. Now we have got the glossy effect. To increase the size, press Ctrl T to show the transform control. Press Shift plus Alt and drag to increase the size. And now if we change the background color, we can see the glossy effect on the background. To change the dress color, click here and change the dress color. Okay. Now group these layers and see the difference. This is our previous image and this is our current image. And that's for today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.